Hello and welcome to Nikolay's Biostatistics lessons, and today's question is: what is the value of relative risk reduction if relative risk is 0.33? Imagine that this is our sample space, and here we have, let's say, 1,000 people. 100 of them, which I show with yellow color, have certain disease. So our sample space is 1,000 people, and 100 of them have certain disease. This gives us 10% of the people in the sample group who have certain disease. And we also give this group of people placebo and compare with another group. So here's another sample group also of 1,000 people. So I will show with blue color those people who doesn't have a disease, and with yellow color those who have a disease. And we have 33 people who have a disease after treatment with our invented drug. So that means that 33 people out of 1,000, so sample space is 1,000 people, and 33 people would make 3.3%. Now, as you see, we have a ratio 33 people in the intervention group to 100 people in the placebo group or control group. And what we have here is relative risk, or RRR, which is here and which equal to 0.33. And if we divide 33 by 100, we are going to get 0.33. So with this example, I just demonstrated what a relative risk is, for example, when it's equal to 0.33. So let me also add P here. So this is going to be our placebo control group, and I here, this is going to be intervention group. And now would be our last step to calculate relative risk reduction. So if we had here relative risk, now we have triple R. R, R, R. Relative risk reduction. At this point, students usually make a mistake, considering that if we had initially 10%, so 10%, and finally we had 3.3% in our intervention group, so we have to deduct this 3.3%, and we have 6.7% here. This is actually wrong way to calculate relative risk reduction. Actually, what you have to think about, that this control group considered to be 100% or 1. In statistics, we usually work on the scale between 0 and 1. So actually, relative risk reduction is calculated as follows: 1 or 100% minus 0.33, and we are going to get 0.67, or 67% reduction in our intervention group in comparison with our control group. So as you see, the correct answer is C. On the scale between 0 and 1, we have 0.67 relative risk reduction, which equal to 67% if we compare intervention group with control group. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.